Whenever we set any goals, whether it's personal goals or professional goals, okay, what happens? We start doing the process, we start doing the systems, everything, and then suddenly challenges comes, obstacles comes, and we just think that what to do and how to overcome these challenges. Sometimes we get worried, and sometimes we even think of giving up at our goals, and we say ki, no, I can't do this, maybe this is not for me. And we really get disturbed and stressed with the challenges and obstacles which come in the process of achieving our goals, whether it's your health goal, professional goal, career goal, whichever goal. Obstacles will come, challenges will come. So let's understand a magical way to dissolve these challenges immediately. Let's burst the myth of challenges today. Welcome, I am Dr. Poonam Maurya. Welcome to Inner MBBS. Inner MBBS is your inner hidden doctor, your mind, body, breath, and soul. Let's tap into the power of Inner MBBS and see how can we dissolve this challenge. What is a challenge? Before dissolving the challenge, I want to give you I want to give you a magical trick, a magical tool by which this challenge will just disappear. It will just vanish. Do you want that magic wand? Okay, do you want that magic wand wherein you just do something and it just dissolves and you achieve your goals immediately? I mean, you become the powerful, you empower yourself. So let's understand. So before giving you the magical tool, I want you to let's understand what is a challenge. What is a challenge? What is a challenge? Can you comment? What are your views about challenge? What is an obstacle? What is a challenge? My dear friends, challenges and obstacles are nothing but the things which we have never done before. That's the definition, that's all. There is no hi-fi definition. The things which you have never done before is your challenge, is your obstacle. So does that mean it's not doable? Does that mean it doesn't have a solution? Does that mean it cannot be tackled? No. It only means that you in this life have not encountered this situation. So whatever has come, your challenge, let's call it as a situation. Okay, challenge is a very heavy word which our mind rejects. Mind creates a block. Mind makes it very heavy. So there is a situation, there is a new thing, there is a new challenge see, it's coming, challenge is coming, so obvious. So a new situation has come in the process of achieving any of your goals, whether it's a health goal, professional goal, career goal, and this situation you have never faced in life and you get overwhelmed. So what happens? We get overwhelmed. Okay, no, I have not done this before. Will I be able to do this before? I don't know how to do it. I don't know the knowledge. I don't have the knowledge. I don't have the skill set. And so we get stressed and we get worried. Now, the moment we understand that challenge and obstacle actually are our friends. Yes. So if you're having challenges and obstacles in life in any areas of your goals, okay, any areas of your life, congratulations. Congratulations, the challenges have come to show you that you have the skill set to overcome it. Because only when the challenges come, you will understand that I need to learn how to overcome this particular situation, this particular challenge. And then, rather than getting overwhelmed and drowned into, I am not enough, this is not for me, I don't know this, I don't know that, how will I do this, how will I do that, I don't know this, I don't know this, come out of this negative chatter and start thinking, this situation has come. What is it teaching me? How am I going to tackle it? What are the new skills that I need to learn? What is that I need to learn from this, and how do I really dissolve it? How do I really handle it? Don't get stressed because we call it as challenge and obstacle. It's only a situation which you have never faced. That doesn't mean it doesn't have a solution. Other people have faced, they have solved it. There are people who have done it. So there are many ways to do it. Learn from the people who have done it. Learn from the people who have trained in that. Learn the skills. Learn the knowledge that how to overcome that particular situation, challenge, obstacle. But it's not come to obstruct you. Challenges have come to make you one step higher, higher, higher. Because see, just imagine a situation. You are on a health goal, you are on a career goal, and you are moving, everything is fine, you're doing your walking, yoga, and whatever processes you are following, and there are no challenges coming. So what will happen? You will continue the same monotonous routine, and you will be at this level only. But when a challenge comes, what happens? Now you think that, oh, now how do I overcome this challenge? So for overcoming this challenge, you have to jump means you have to learn the new knowledge, the skill set. So when you're trying to jump yourself, you're trying to evolve yourself, what are you doing? You're moving in this plane, but now the challenges come, and now you're trying to go a one step higher. So when you go one step higher, who is rising because of the challenge? You are rising because of the challenge which is coming. So the challenge has come to rise you. The challenge has come to level you up, and then you start from there. Otherwise you will be here. When the challenge comes, you overcome it, and then your level goes up. One more challenge comes, the level goes up. So challenges are coming to level you up. Challenges are always coming to level us up. Challenges are coming to make you and not to break you. Challenges are nothing but the situations which you have never faced. Like for example, I have shared in my previous video, recently I did some painting and then some drumming. This was out of the blue. I mean, I'm not a drummer. I am not at all interested. I mean, interested in music, but I have never played any musical instrument. I have never done painting, but I did. In the last 2 weeks, there were some amazing things happening. The things which I have never done, I have done. So if I ever said, no, I have never done it before, let me not do it, it's so difficult, or no, we should be ready to learn. If everything is learnable, commit to yourself that to be a lifelong learner. आने दो. Whatever situation comes, whether you call it as a challenge or obstacle, it has come to show you that you need to evolve. So my dear friends, don't solve, evolve. Don't solve, evolve. Because when you evolve, the problem disappears. Because when you have the skills to manage the challenge, that is not a challenge. Okay, so suppose I tell you to make tea. You are making tea every day. If I tell you make a tea, is making tea a challenge for you? No, because you are doing it every day. But suppose if you are not cooking, if you don't know how to cook biryani, and if I tell you, okay, cook biryani today, so you will say, biryani though I don't know how much masala, how to do this. That becomes a challenge. You become stressed. Then what you have to do? Go search a recipe, search the YouTube, whatever recipes you know, and search the best recipes, the easy recipes, the shorts, the videos, whatever, and go and do it. And once you do it, is it a challenge? Once you do it 2-3 times, is it a challenge? Then making biryani is also like making tea. That's what happens in all our goals in our life. So my dear friends, I hope that your challenge is dissolved. Challenges are coming to make you, to level you up. And when you understand that, you automatically embrace your challenges. And when we start loving and embracing our challenges, we evolve and we transform. So all the best, and tell me in the comments, what's your challenge that you are going to dissolve today or start to work from today? And let me know what else you would like to hear. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and thanks a lot.